Yeah, so can you explain a bit about what you learned in the favorable balance as per cash book and passbook?
So like favorable balance is when you have like normal balance. Normal as like there's no overdraft or anything.
Okay,
Yeah,
so yes, this is chapter
yeah.
bank reconciliation statement. And I am discussing with you the favorable balance as per cash book. That means when I'm talking about the favorable balance as per cash book, I'm talking about the bank column of the cash book, which is showing a debit balance, right?
Yeah.
And what about the passbook? Which balance it will show?
Passbook will show credit.
Credit balance. Very good. So when you're so you have to, when cash book is showing a favorable balance, you're focusing on cash book increasing or decreasing, whether it's increasing or decreasing, right? So when the passbook is increasing, what you will do is you will increase your cash book if it is decreasing, right? In favorable balance, basically it's the opposite. If your cash book, we're talking about the cash book favorable balance, and your cash book is decreasing, then you will increase it, right? If your cash book is decreasing, then you will increase, increasing, then you will decrease. Same happens to be with the passbook, right?
Yeah.
Now let's discuss unfavorable ones. So what is overdraft?
It's like suppose your bank has like 10,000, but you withdrew 20,000. So this
In
means like
excess. The
you do
money you
extra.
withdrew in excess as a loan, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so what is happening is someone depositing into your account, right? So what is happening? The passbook is increasing in balance.
Yeah.
So your loan is decreasing, correct?
Okay.
So that is the reason we are going to add direct deposit by the customer. Okay, so these were the things you must have noticed, that you were deducting check sent to the bank for the collection but not yet credited or dishonored. So this, when we discuss cash balance as per favorable, right? This thing you deducted, right?
Yeah.
No, this is something else. So what was happening was check sent to the bank for collection but not yet credited. That means the balance not yet coming to your account, right? The passbook is down. Yes. So that means your overdraft is still increasing. When the payment is going to be there in your bank account, then your overdraft will decrease, right? That is the reason your passbook is decreasing here, so you have to increase it.
Okay.
Now the second is direct payment by bank on behalf of customers. So there are certain things from standing instructions, also insurance bill, so many things, right? Electricity bill. Okay, any other thing you can tell me? Check.
Bank charges.
Very good. Checks issued but omitted to be recorded in cash book. And no space, so I can write bank charges maybe here. Okay, less. Can we write checks issued but not presented for payment?
Yeah.
Any other?
And then the balance.
What balance?
Like, you write right that balance as per cash book, passbook.
Yeah, that is the initial one. So here you can also write direct deposit by any customer, right?
Okay.
So that will reduce your overdraft, right? Money is coming. You've already taken so much money, but money is now reducing your overdraft, right?
Yeah.
So these are all the things which will further reduce your overdraft. Maybe interest and dividend. This is your income that bank is receiving.
Okay.
Maybe interest on investment, right? So all this is incoming money. Money is being added to your account, which is reducing your overdraft. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, let's practice now. Now you have to share your screen and I'm sending you what to practice. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, can you allow me to share screen?
Done.
Yeah. With the format will remain the same, right?
Yes. So what is what is going on in school right now?
In accounts, we are doing bank reconciliation.
Started with reconciliation?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, now read the question. What does it say?
So credit balance overdraft as per cash book.
Yes.
So balance as per cash book.
Overdraft. You can write in the bracket overdraft and credit in the bracket.
Okay.
No. After balance, write overdraft. After cash book, write credit.
Okay.
In bracket. Don't
Yeah.
give space between over and draft. It's same word.
So this will minus it, right?
Yes. Okay, next.
Yeah. And then checks deposited but not yet credited by the bank. So, yeah. So this will add, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. And then another check deposited but dishonored.
NOU and don't put E. Instead put OU.
Yeah.
It's simple. All the decreases will be added. All the increases will be subtracted.
Oh, wait. So it'll be plus, right?
Yes.
And then check issued but not yet presented. So this will be minus.
Yes.
Yeah. And then interest on overdraft not recorded in the cash book.
So now this interest is being charged. It's a payment.
Yeah. So we'll minus it, right?
No.
A plus.
Where your money is decreasing, you will add it. Where your money is increasing, you will minus it.
Oh, okay, okay. Got it. Yeah. And then a check of 2420 received from customer and in the cash book but not sent to bank.
Check entered in cash book, but not sent to bank.
Yeah.
Two four two zero.
Here we'll minus it, right?
No. Remember, only checks presented will be deducted.
But like isn't your money increasing?
Right. So when you discuss about check deposited, check issued, check deposited but not cleared, check issued but not collected, check dishonored, everything is the same.
Okay.
Understand the language, or everything is the same. So this is the same. Check entered in cash book but not. This says that check issued but no. Right. Check received from a customer, entered in the cash book but was
Not in the bank.
not sent to bank.
Yeah.
So what is happening here is, now what happened when the check was entered in the cash book and not sent to the bank? Did it decrease your overdraft? No.
No.
So that
It's
is
the
why you're
same.
adding it.
Okay.
If there had been a direct deposit by a customer, then you would have decreased it. But it did not reach the bank.
Okay. Got it.
The balance did not affect the passbook.
Okay.
Okay. So the negative sign seems to be more.
Yeah. 810.
what you have to do is you have to add all this amount to 15,000 and deduct 6,000. How much is 8,500, 1,200, 780 and 2,420?
12900.
Add this to 15,000.
Yeah.
And then what amount did you get now?
27900.
Deduct 6,000.
Yeah, 21900.
So because already the negative balance is more, you get overdraft as per cash book. Oh, sorry, passbook. Debit balance. So what you can do is you can see. Wait. I'm sharing my screen with you to show you something. Can you
Wait,
see
I'll
my?
have to, no, I'll have to stop sharing.
Okay, stop sharing. So this 15,000, whatever you have written the amount to be added,
Yeah.
put the total of this amounts here. Then put this total down here. And then less 6,000 and then put the total amount. And then write balance as per passbook. Sorry, overdraft as per passbook.
Okay.
So only this 6,000 you can bring it down so that you can add the total of the added items. Bring this down. The amount which has to be deducted, bring it down. 8,500, 1,200, 780, 2,420. You have to add and write the total under 15,000. Then you have to add that and then you have to deduct 6,000 out of that.
Okay. So we do all that in the minus section, right?
Wait. I've sent you, just see it.
Yeah.
Just bring this statement down. Checks issued but not presented. Make the rest of segregate, add and less.
Oh, okay. I got it. Yeah. And then
So you can show the total 15,000 plus 12,900 and then deduct 6,000.
okay.
Be quick.
Yeah.
So in overdraft, it's better, if you follow
Less.
format details and amount, so you won't be getting confused
Okay.
of this plus minus.
Yeah.
So what you can do is where you have written plus, write details. Where you have written minus, write amount, and yeah, details. Delete this plus sign. And where you have written check deposited but not credited, write add. Less. Check issued but not unissued, spelling corrected. S is extra. No. After you. Okay. Less. Before this. Yeah. So this less, make it little up because this 6,000 has to come in front of this check issued but not presented has to come in front of 6,000. And then where you were going to write 21900, there you have to write the balance as per passbook overdraft. Extend it further so that presented comes in the same line. Take check to the left. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Fine. Now down 21900 and overdraft as per passbook. Okay. Save this. And the next question I've already sent you. Read the question. What does it say?
On 31st January, the cash book shows a bank draft of 12500. After comparing with the, yeah, so the,
Mm-hmm. So it's very, very simple. When you're doing overdraft as per cash book, remember two statements. Checks issued but not presented will be deducted. Checks deposited but not cleared, check dishonored, everything will be added, right? Direct deposit by the customer, when you see money coming into your bank, that will be deducted. And when bank is making any payments on your behalf, that will all be added. Just the opposite of what you have done in the favorable balance of cash.
Okay.
Because whatever money is coming is decreasing your overdraft. Okay, now be quick.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do this question in the next meeting. I think then will you be able to do it this in within 10 minutes?
Yeah, I mean, I can try.
Okay, do this, then I'll send it.
First, yeah, that's
Okay,
then
read the first point.
cash and checks amounting 1350 was sent to bank on 25th Jan, but the check worth 230 were credited on 22nd February, and on one check 45 was returned by them as dishonored.
On 4th February. So just check the dates. It is post 30th, right? It's happening in February, not in January.
Yeah.
So how will you make the entry? Checks paid into bank but not credited. How much?
Yeah. 230.
Very good. And next is checks paid but dishonored.
Yeah.
So you can copy the statement and in place of not credited, you can just put dishonored. And 45, give a space bar. 4 should come under 3. HONOURED. HO, remove U after HO. Yeah. And shift this 4 to the right. Press 1 space bar. Yes, now it's fine. Next,
And
please.
then during the month of Jan, I had issued check worth 1670 to my creditors, but of these checks worth 1370 were presented for payment in 5th February. So check issued but not presented.
So write it little down and yes. What is the amount?
Wait, does the minus come in amount?
No. In details only.
Okay.
Actually, what you do is total of addition and total of all the amount that is written in less column. Add it, right? And then you Simplify it in the amount column, whether you have to add them or you have to deduct them.
Okay. Yeah.
If you only have one, then you can directly put as you did in the previous question.
Okay. Yeah, and then according to my standing orders, the bankers were paid during the month of Jan. The following
So you can put the heading amount paid by bank on standing instruction, then you can segregate.
Yeah.
Yes, very good. Your typing speed is really very fast. Amazing. Okay. What's next?
So my bankers have collected 150 as dividend on the shows.
Yes. What do you feel?
So this will be minus, right?
Yes. Money is coming. Dividend collected by bank. Dividend. Dividend. Dend actually. Dividend.
Oh, yeah.
Yes. Dividend collected by bank. 150.
Yeah. And then interest charged by bank, this will also be added.
Just write interest charge. TE.
Huh?
INTE.
Done.
Just put the total 1837 because it's about to end the meeting. Of this addition. Addition total is 1837. Just put it under the next to 1250. Yes, 1837. Okay, what all is left now? My banker has given one wrong credit for 150. What do you feel about this?
Sorry.
Fifth
No,
point.
this one we did it. The dividend.
150. Okay. Yeah.
Oh no, we didn't.
Wrong credit is not done.
Yeah. So my banker has given one wrong
Credit means the money came wrongly. So wrong credit by bank quickly deducted. No, write it after dividend. Yes. Give the total to the right, 1670. Okay, after this 1837, put a line. You have to add 12,500 and 1837, which comes to 14,337.
Yeah.
And now you deduct 12,667. Bring the 1670 little up. Yeah, 12,667. So that is overdraft balance again. Why it's an overdraft balance? Because 12,500 is minus, right? So that is the reason it will show overdraft only.
Yeah.
Overdraft, then in bracket debit, balance as per passbook. Don't give space between over and draft. And don't write debit like this. DR only D capital. Balance. Balance, debit balance. As per passbook. So debit balance, put it in bracket.
Yeah.
Okay, save it now and let's, I'll be shortly sharing you the new link, okay? Give me 2 minutes.
Yeah.